So,
Look, so your employer is not aware of this?
No, I haven't spoken with him about it yet.
Okay, well, I'm not, Ralph, yeah, I don't want him to be put in jeopardy on his job because that's where the income, but I think entities need to know when somebody is convicted of a felony, and that's what's happening here.
I will speak with him about it.
You need to, they need to know about it because if something happened and somebody later says, well, he was on felony probation when this occurred and he was working for y'all, and then they go, I didn't know that. Well, it looks, all kind of problems develop.
I most definitely.
But be frank with them. This didn't have anything to do, I guess, with the job.
No, it does.
And you're not pilfering money from the job. So if you're a good worker, they're going to say, okay, you fouled up, you made a mistake, fix it.
Yes, sir.
And be the best you can be. But they have a right to know, because if something happens, then somebody then says, well, did you know he was on felony probation? And the owners of the company are the ones who are going to say, well, we didn't know that. And that's an embarrassing moment if there's a legal issue that arises.
I was just waiting on the outcome.
Yes, sir. Okay, well, they need to know.
Yes, sir.
And you're in order to tell the boss about this, but that it didn't have anything to do with your job.
Right.
But it does, you have a felony here, and they need to know when their workers have felony convictions so that they can make an informed choice about how that's going to work with their employment and with their insurance and other things that cost them a ton of money if it all collapses. And I'm sure this isn't directly related to the driving, so it shouldn't be a problem, but they still need to know.
Yes, sir.
And then being forthright and honest like that to them, they would probably appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
But the worst thing is if they read about it or find out later, and then why didn't you tell us this?
Exactly.
And then that can get you. That would. How do you explain that?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just waiting on the outcome.
Yes, sir. All right. Anything else?
Mr. Chair.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay.
Pleasure being before your.
See you, pal. Be very careful back.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. You do us the honor. Thanks, man.